wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
There's nothing in mine.
There's nothing in mine either.
But you know what, Noah? You're a treasure to me.
Oh, and you are to me. And I know for sure, to both of us, it's the kids out there. So why don't we say, Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Yay! Do you know why we were saying that each other are treasures?
No.
No? Well, look.
Oh, of course, because we have a treasure chest.
We have treasure chests. We are going to make our very, very own special arts and crafts today.
Yay!
Treasure chest arts and crafts.
I'm very much looking forward to this one.
Me too. This one's going to be really fun.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Somebody's excited.
Yeah, I really like treasure chests, and I think I have a fun idea. But I'm not going to tell you yet. It's a surprise.
Well, I know how I'm going to do mine.
Yeah?
Because I want mine to look like a treasure chest. And how do treasure chests look? Brown and gold.
Ooh. I can tell you how I'm going to do the outside of mine.
Okay.
I think, because mine has, there's the little boards.
Yeah.
Yeah, and each little board kind of reminds me of the ribbon on the rainbow. So
from our set.
Yeah. So
okay.
I'm going to do mine like a rainbow.
Whoa.
Yeah, I'm really excited about it.
And you know where treasure chests sometimes live?
Sometimes they're buried.
At the end of a rainbow.
Oh, at the end of a rainbow. Oh, yay.
So you have a rainbow treasure chest at the end of a rainbow.
Yeah, and we can hold it up like this.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
And then it will be at the end of the rainbow.
Yeah, wouldn't that be
Yeah,
fun?
like that. Oh, there. Just like that.
Nice.
Treasure chest at the end of the rainbow.
That's very cool.
Wow, that's a really neat idea. I didn't even think of that, Noah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Aw.
But Olivia, I see we don't just have colors here. There are a lot of other things that you pulled out for this craft.
Oh.
What will we be using, and what do the kids need for this time?
So what you need is you can have a treasure chest, any kind you want, and you can use an old box, or a shoe box would be a great treasure chest. Anything like that would work.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can also cut one out with like a cardboard, right?
Oh yeah, absolutely. And then you could tape it or glue it together.
Yep.
For sure.
Or you can just buy one of these.
Yeah, these are
Arts
fun.
and Crafts Supply Store.
Yep. We love the arts and crafts supply store.
Yep.
Yeah, for sure. And then we are going to use paint. So I would suggest that you guys get some paints. You can use acrylic or poster paints. And then you're going to need a paintbrush and some water for your paint, of course.
But
But
because we don't have anything in our treasure chest,
yeah,
and even though we do treasure each other, but it would be pretty cool to have something in our treasure chest, wouldn't it?
That's my surprise!
Yay! So what do we do?
So we brought some glue, the glue up there.
Oh, yeah,
so
okay.
Inside, you can glue stick the glue, and then we have different jewels. Yeah. Oh, I dropped
Just
mine.
like this.
Yeah.
Like glitter jewels.
Oh, yeah. We have glitter, and then we also have little diamond jewels.
Like rhinestones.
Yeah, like rhinestones. Thank you. That's
Yeah.
the word. And then, so we have all the kinds of glitter and the jewels, and we can use the glue stick inside, and then sprinkle the glitter, and then put the jewels down, and that'll make a treasure in our treasure chest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And because I love blue, I'm gonna make a blue treasure
And
chest.
I'm gonna do pink and also silver, cause like silver, like diamond color.
It'll be like all glitzy and glamour and reflecting and whoa.
Maybe some red. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna make some good choices about jewels today.
Yep.
Yeah.
Basically, kids, you can do whatever you want, and you can get these at a store. But what if the kids don't have something like this? They can put other treasures in their chest.
Oh yeah, and you can definitely also you can color the inside. So if you don't have the sparkly glitter stuff, you could color a diamond with a white crayon or a silver crayon. You could paint it. There's all sorts of stuff you can do. And even if you put jewels inside, you can still put stuff on top of them, just so long as it's not too many jewels inside where it's all filled.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, time to color them.
Okay.
So kids, why don't you get all of the supplies, and then by the time that you're back, we'll be done with our treasure chest.
Yeah. It sounds like a great idea.
Yep.
So I'm gonna grab my pen.
And I'm gonna use this paintbrush, and I'm gonna start with my golden outline. Okay, I'm done painting mine, so I'm gonna put some glue in there.
Ooh,
And then,
it's fun.
before the glue dries, I'm going to sprinkle in the jewels.
And I'm gonna do the same thing. And put in some glue.
There.
I like that.
Now I'm gonna close it so nobody can take my treasure. I'm done.
Okay, 1 second. Okay, now I am done too. Woo!
Wow.
Wow!
Yours looks like a rainbow.
Yeah. Can I show?
And you even have clouds.
Yeah, look. Yeah, the top is red, and then orange, and yellow, and green, and blue, and purple, and then the clouds on the bottom. Oh, and look.
Roy G. Biff.
Roy G. Biv, yep. And look, on the side, I even did the rainbow where the,
Wow, I see.
Yeah, where the wood goes through the edges.
Wow.
Mhm.
That must have taken you a lot of time.
Yeah, it did take a while. Yeah, it was very precise work.
But it looks very, very beautiful.
Thank you.
I did something more traditional, I guess. Not a lot of imagination it took, but you know, it's a treasure chest. It looks like a treasure chest, so it's okay.
I think that takes a lot of imagination.
Well, but you know, this is how treasure chest looks, so I don't think it does. Yours is a lot of imagination.
You don't know that for sure. You had to imagine what an actual treasure chest looks like,
That's
and then
true.
you had to like think of how to do that, and still pick the colors because there's different shades of colors. And Noah, unless I'm wrong, I don't think you've ever seen a treasure chest in real life. So, see, you were still using your imagination to imagine what a treasure chest would look like, right?
Maybe.
Wait, no, kids, do you?
I'm gonna open my treasure chest now.
Do you have a treasure chest in real life, Noah?
It's a secret.
Oh, I'm gonna find it.
No, you won't.
I'm gonna go to your room and I'm gonna look everywhere and I am gonna find the treasure. Yay! The treasure
You take
shall be
one
mine.
step into my room.
Ooh, I will take
I'm
one
going to
sneaky,
take your Barbie.
step into your room.
I'm gonna take your Barbie.
I think a whole treasure is worth one Barbie.
I'll take your Grand Hotel Barbie.
Nah, you don't even like her. You won't want her. Okay. Show me the inside of your treasure chest.
Yeah. I want to show the kids. See? Because you helped me out on this too.
Yeah.
But look.
This was great.
Whoa.
Ooh, and can I show mine?
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, it looks
it's a
really
blue
good.
treasure.
Yeah, and it's so sparkly, huh? Like
Yeah.
move it back and forth so that the light glitters on it.
You see?
Oh,
it
that's
glitters.
so nice.
So sparkly.
Yeah.
It's a
And-
real treasure.
And then mine.
And I locked it now.
Ooh.
So nobody
so
can
no
take
one can
the
get in. Mine
Wow.
is like that. Mine is silver and pink. Yeah, and a little bit of red.
Yeah.
And it sparkles too. Yours, I think actually the blue sparkles a little bit more because of because it was bigger pieces.
Yeah.
But
Here,
I
I'll
wanted
show
to
it
use
again.
some of the silver. But I think my jewels though show it better, but
Yeah.
your sparkles show it better.
Yep.
Ooh. Oh, guess what, Noah?
What?
I'm closing mine up.
I'm closing mine up
And now I have a real treasure chest too.
Me too.
Yep, this is mine. That's what you were talking about, huh?
Yeah.
This treasure chest.
That's my
Aw.
treasure chest. This is my treasure
Yay,
chest.
and this is my treasure chest. I can't wait to put even more neat stuff in it.
Yep.
Yeah. Yay.
Well, kids, are you going to paint a treasure chest at home too?
Yeah, I hope you guys do. If so, you guys could send us pictures of it and show us what treasures you either put inside or draw inside. That'd be neat.
Absolutely. We would love to see your creations and
Yeah.
how different they will look compared to ours.
Yeah, because I feel like there's a million different ways to make a treasure chest.
Absolutely.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, like some treasure chests are at the bottom of the ocean.
Yeah.
Yeah, those might have fish on them, or I don't know.
Maybe
Yeah.
when we go on our exploration adventure, we can look for treasures.
Yeah, I would love to look for treasures. Ooh, yeah,
would
let's
be
do
fun.
that. Great.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, kids, thanks for watching Dream Again. We hope
Yeah.
to see you next time.
Yeah, we'll see you soon. We had fun. I hope you did too.
Yep.
Okay, thanks.
Okay.
Bye. Oh, yeah.
I can throw this in the ocean. We can look for it too.
Oh, I'm not going to throw mine in the ocean. I'm keeping mine nice and safe right here
Yeah, I
with
don't
me.
want to do that.
But we could make another one that we throw in the ocean.
Oh, yeah. Let's do that.
Yeah. Let's make another one so we can throw it in the ocean.
Okay.
Okay.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!